Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. You are watching short and sweet tutorial series. This series is for beginners and new learners who want to start learning Adobe Premiere Pro software but they don't know where to start or how to start. I will show you very basics of video editing in Premiere Pro step by step. In this episode 1 we'll show you how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Text is an important part of a video. To give title or subtitles or to give proper name in intro or end titles we can use text. We make our own titles or edit our text in Premiere Pro. So let's get started and jump into the software. This is my timeline which I have made in previous episode. You can see the link in description below. Now I will go to Project Panel and select New Item icon here. Then select Title here. Then this window appears. It will automatically create a timeline size and frame rates of titles. Give it a name and press OK. Now you can type your text here in this panel. We can find all the text properties in this panel. I will click here and type short and sweet. Then select Selection tool here. Now I will put this text in the center of the frame by selecting these icons here. This icon aligns horizontally and this is for vertical. These are some ready-made presets. We can select directly. It will automatically change the text's properties. Now I will reset everything. I will change the font from here. We can find many fonts here. Arial font is good for now. Now from here we can change the position of text horizontally and vertically. And this will help to scale up and scale down the size of the text. Now I will increase the font size here. These are some properties used to edit paragraph texts. By selecting this I can change the color of the text. Fill is option to change color of the text. We can add stroke to the text. I will add in a stroke. Then I will select yellow color so that it can visible to you. We can change the stroke size also. Now I will delete the inner stroke and add the outer stroke. Outer stroke will work same like inner stroke. Only outer stroke will give stroke outside of the text. Now I will delete the stroke and see the shadow here. We can change the opacity of the shadow here. Now I will change the color of the shadow. We can change the distance, size and spread value of the shadow from here. Shadow is not visible because background is dark black. I will change play cursor somewhere here so that we can see shadow properly. Now I will double click on title to edit my text property again. You can see shadow clearly. Now whatever the changes I will make on text it will show here properly. This last option is background option. We can put some background behind the text. We can change gradient in the background. Linear gradient, radial gradient, four-color gradient, etc. Now I will turn off the background and put title on the timeline. I want titles till the 10 seconds on the timeline. I will drag videos on 10 seconds and start video with title. Now whenever you want to edit text you can double click on this title layer and modify it here. Video is starting direct with the title. ellipser, I will add dip to black transition to the starting and ending point of title layer. We can add transition on titles also. Now I will play the video and watch the result. And if you like the video or learn something useful, then click on like, subscribe and stay in touch for more advanced videos of editing and VFX.